Is your Nissan's car alarm going off randomly? First, check the basics. Ensure your key fob battery isn't weak. Try replacing it. Next, examine the door and hood switches. These detect if something's opened, and corrosion or misalignment can cause false alarms. A quick test with a multimeter for continuity when closed can identify faulty switches. For 2023-2025 models, Nissan has released over-the-air updates addressing alarm sensitivity. Check if your vehicle has the latest software. Common fixes include cleaning corroded contacts or replacing defective switches. If basic troubleshooting fails, adjust the alarm sensitivity via your Nissan's infotainment system if available, or consult dealership software. A scan tool like OBD2 can diagnose error codes, such as bead 710 for body control module faults. Consider reprogramming your key fob by cycling the ignition. According to experts, 60 to 70% of issues stem from worn switches or fob batteries. If the problem persists, especially in newer EVs, the body control module might be the issue, requiring professional diagnosis. Remember Nissan Connect app for free diagnostic tools. For frequent hood alarm triggers, inspect the hood switch's magnetic alignment and consider replacement.